In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to zoom in on video in CapCut PC. If you need to bring attention to a specific part of your footage, make a small on-screen detail easier to see, or create a simple close-up effect, CapCut on PC makes this really quick and straightforward. In this tutorial, we're focusing on the easiest method, using the built-in controls on the right side of the editor. To begin, go down to your timeline and locate the video clip you want to zoom in on. Click once directly on that clip in the video track. As soon as it's selected, you should see a white border appear around the clip. That border is important because it confirms that the clip is active and ready for editing. If you don't see that outline, just click the clip again to make sure you've selected the correct piece of footage before moving on. Next, move your attention to the top right area of the CapCut window, where the Properties panel appears. In that panel, open the Video section and make sure you're in the Basic tab. This is where you'll find the main controls for resizing and reframing your clip. Look for the setting labeled Scale. By default, it's usually set to 100%, which means the video is showing at its normal size. Now it's time to zoom in. You can do this in one of two ways. You can click and drag the scale slider to the right, which gives you a more visual way to increase the size, or if you want a more exact zoom level, click inside the number field next to Scale, type 130, and press Enter. As soon as you do that, check the preview window in the center of the screen. You'll see your footage instantly appear larger, giving you that zoomed-in look. After scaling up the video, the part you want to show may no longer be centered in the frame. That's completely normal. To fix it, look just below the scale control for the position settings. You can adjust those values there, or for an easier hands-on method, click directly on the video in the preview window and drag it around. Move the footage left, right, up or down until the most important area is positioned exactly where you want it in the frame. And that's it. By selecting your timeline clip, adjusting the scale in the Video Basic panel, and then refining the position, you can quickly create a clean zoom-in effect in CapCut on PC. You're all set.